Good job, doll. So I think we have 2 more hours of snow left.
Yeah. Bring it on.
Yeah, that looks pretty good, babe. I don't think we're going anywhere today. My God. Good job, B. Oh my God. I don't know how I'm going to get my car out.
Now you're going to get into it.
Will you get that big bit off by my door? Oh my Lord. Oh my goodness. Without scratching my car, please.
What's another one?
What? Oh yeah, give me another car. Oh, well, you can't exactly see what kind of car it is right now. That's good, baby. Come in.
Snow Angel.
Do you want to do Snow Angel?
You have to go upstairs.
Okay.